Hey guys, it's Angelo, Lifetime Advice. Today we're going to talk about the best contact form for WordPress. I mean, this is the best WordPress contact form builder that I have ever seen. I mean, it has email notification, payment integration, booking form included, SMS. All right, let's go dive into the contact form. So this is the actual contact form. As you can see, it has a capability. So we have email settings, form builder, auto reply. We also have text, anti-spam, reports, and add-ons. So this is the email from. You can add a field. Say you want to add a single line, for example, and you can drop it anywhere you want. You can name it. Let's see, test form. It has auto reply. This is where when someone send and fill out the contact, you have the anti-spam. You can one click. We have reports. We have the add-on. Now, one of my favorite about this contact form is it is the email notification. It goes right to your email. Super reliable, guys. I mean, it has payment integration, PayPal and Stripe. It has the capability for booking form with payment integration. Really good if you are providing service and stuff like that. It has the phone SMS integration. It has the capability for upload files. You can also make coupon codes for promotion or campaigns with this contact form. Um, as you can see right here on add-ons, have the add-on. Let's go to email settings, form builder, auto reply, text, ports. So I can show you the add-ons area over here. You can add coupon codes. You have the capability for payment integrations like PayPal Pro. That's one of my favorite. You have the Stripe right here. You also have payment calculations. Like all these qualities right here is integrated with WooCommerce as well. So these are the quality that you can have with this payment form. Um, so let's see the pricing. This is 99 euro, right? This is about $100 per year for 5 websites. I mean, that's a good deal if you're thinking about contact form that has payment gateway integrations with email notification, 100% and super reliable. You have on your support, you have unlimited forms. You also have database field, email notification. This is super reliable. Goes right on your email when someone submit the form. Payment processing integration, PayPal, Stripe, Skrill, all of this stuff right here. You also have that booking form, MailChimp integrations. Yeah, this is a really good plugin. I just want to share it with you guys. I mean, this is about $100 for 5 web, right? And I'll leave the link down below on this video if you want to check it out. Alright guys, I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and